There's nothing like the warm, rich sound of vinyl, especially when it's spinning on the right turntable. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best turntables of 2025, handpicked for audiophiles, vinyl collectors, and music lovers alike. From sleek modern designs to vintage-inspired models with cutting-edge tech, these turntables deliver unmatched sound quality, build, and value. Whether you're upgrading your setup or buying your very first deck, stick around. Our number 1 pick will blow you away. Let's drop the needle and dive in. Kicking off our list is the beautifully crafted Fluance RT85N, a true audiophile-grade turntable that combines elegant design with exceptional performance. With its premium Audio-Technica MP110 cartridge, this model delivers warm, detailed sound reproduction that brings your vinyl collection to life. The acrylic platter not only adds a sleek, modern aesthetic, but also provides improved speed consistency and vibration damping. Its servo-controlled motor offers accurate playback with minimal wow and flutter, while the high-mass NDF wood plinth, finished in a stunning lucky bamboo, enhances stability and reduces unwanted resonance. What truly sets the RT85N apart is its vibration isolation feat and thoughtfully engineered tone arm, giving you audiophile quality sound straight out of the box. No upgrades needed. Perfect for serious vinyl lovers who want a balance of style, build quality, and sonic clarity. The Fluance RT85N proves you don't need to spend thousands to experience premium analog audio. At number 4, we have the Pro-Ject Debut PRO B, a serious hi-fi turntable designed for audiophiles who demand pure analog performance. Handcrafted in Europe, this deck features a sleek satin black finish and a robust build quality that immediately screams premium. Its standout feature is the 8.6-inch carbon aluminum tone arm, which offers the perfect balance of rigidity and damping, allowing the stylus to track your records with exceptional precision. The turntable comes pre-installed with the Pro B cartridge, delivering a rich, dynamic, and well-detailed soundstage right out of the box. What makes the Pro B truly unique is its true balance design, which allows for fully balanced signal transmission when paired with a balanced phono stage, resulting in lower noise, cleaner signal, and more accurate sound. Additional highlights include a heavy steel platter, height-adjustable feet, and a precision belt drive motor system for consistent playback speed. It's a turntable made for serious vinyl enthusiasts who appreciate clarity, detail, and European craftsmanship. If you're looking for studio-level sound in a beautifully minimal package, the Pro-Ject Debut PRO B should be high on your list. Coming in at number 3 is the legendary Technics SL-100C, a premium-class hi-fi turntable that blends iconic design with audiophile-grade engineering. Built on Technics' decades of turntable expertise, the SL-100C features a coreless direct drive motor for ultra-stable, accurate rotation, and long-term reliability, free from the cogging issues seen in lesser models. It includes an audiophile-grade pre-installed Audio-Technica AT-LP2022 cartridge, so you can enjoy rich, detailed playback right out of the box. The auto-lift tone arm is a standout feature, gently raising the stylus at the end of a record to prevent unnecessary wear on both your vinyl and stylus, perfect for distraction-free listening. The turntable is housed in a sleek, minimal black chassis with a durable dust cover, combining timeless looks with functional design. Its heavy-duty build and vibration-damping materials ensure rock-solid playback with minimal interference. Whether you're spinning jazz, rock, or classical, the SL-100C offers a smooth, stable, and immersive vinyl experience trusted by audiophiles worldwide. If you're serious about performance and build quality with a touch of luxury, Technics delivers with the SL-100C. At number 2, we have something truly special. The Audio-Technica AT-LP2022 limited edition turntable, released to celebrate the brand's 60th anniversary. This premium, eye-catching deck features a clear acrylic chassis and platter, giving it a futuristic and minimalist aesthetic that stands out in any setup. But it's not just about looks. It comes equipped with a high-performance AT-VM95 EBK cartridge, plus an interchangeable AT-VM95SH Shibata stylus, offering detailed, high-fidelity sound with excellent tracking and clarity. The carbon fiber tone arm is fully adjustable for anti-skate and tracking force, giving audiophiles full control over their sound. The belt drive motor ensures stable playback, while the transparent design adds a unique, artistic touch to your vinyl experience. This is a turntable that performs as well as it looks. Whether you're a collector or an enthusiast, the AT-LP2022 is a limited edition masterpiece that brings precision, style, and sonic purity together. Taking the top spot is the acclaimed Rega Planar 6, paired with the exceptional Ania MC cartridge, a combination that truly defines audiophile-grade turntables in 2025. Known for its minimalist design and precision engineering, the Planar 6 offers a perfect balance of performance and elegance. At the heart of this turntable is Rega's advanced RB330 tone arm, renowned for its lightweight construction and exceptional tracking ability, which allows the stylus to precisely follow grooves and reproduce sound with stunning clarity and detail. The Ania MC cartridge, a high-quality moving coil design, delivers a warm, dynamic, and highly detailed soundstage, making your vinyl collection come alive with new depth. The Planar SIXS plinth is constructed with high-density acrylic laminate, which, combined with a phenolic resin subplatter and a glass platter, reduces unwanted vibrations and resonance for pure, distortion-free playback. Equipped with a low-vibration, electronically controlled motor, this turntable offers stable speed and smooth rotation for an immersive listening experience. If you want the very best in sound quality, build, and craftsmanship, the Rega Planar 6 with Ania MC is the ultimate pick. Thanks for joining us on this vinyl journey through the top 5 best turntables of 2025. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our latest audiophile picks. Got a favorite turntable or questions? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Keep spinning those records, and we'll see you in the next video.